Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Trillionaire Mac back with another video. In this video, we're going to be breaking down the EURUSD day trade that took place this morning. Okay, I actually used the lower time frames for this, lower than the 1 minute, but we are going to go over it regardless, just so you guys can see, what type of information is within the course, what type of things you'll be able to do once you put your hands on the course itself. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification icon to be notified whenever I upload a new video, and hit that thumbs up button if you enjoy the content produced in this video. I just want to shout out to all of you guys who are showing major love, major support. Really appreciate you guys. Thank you for rocking with me as long as you guys have been, and just look forward to more content, look forward to more giveaways. So stay tuned and let's get right into the video. Now, before we get started, I wanted to show you guys some Telegram messages that I have received, some kind words that I've received from you all who have purchased the course. Overall, just great information for those of you who haven't purchased the course yet, just to see what is entailed, what's involved. So someone reached out to me and said, I received your first payout. I've received my first payout because of you. We had a funded student receive their first payout. Congrats to you. Super happy about that. Appreciate you too, man. He says, appreciate you for real though, Mac. I appreciate you too, man. Those of you who are funded traders, this style is the easiest style to take advantage of a funded account with low risk, high reward, things like that. This is an individual who, I don't really remember where this screenshot was from. By the way, great session. Feeling like already a lot of value is being added or being handed out. I always try to make sure that you all receive more value than what you're paying for, right? I think that that is how a great company is built. That's how a great foundation is built. So in my opinion, and of course in this individual's opinion as well, there is more value given than the amount of money paid. So that, in my eyes, is a solid 100. I appreciate you, man. All right, we have a couple more. I don't want to be too long. Yo, Mac, this is my first time trading using confluences on the 1 minute time frame. Trade played out perfectly in my favor. Have been a big inspiration to, as you guys can see, over and over, time and time again. Congrats to you, man. Matt, going through your course on market structure, I've had 3 major teachers, and this is the clearest I've had it explained so far. I like how you distinguish between substructure and minor structure as opposed to swing structure. Helpful schematics for looking at retracements and continuations. Very, very true. That is key. I also really like how you explain that this is a common area of confusion. Yeah, man, we go into a lot of depth with what, structure is, how to take advantage of it. This individual, he contacted me as soon as he was done with the market structure portion, and I'm looking forward to see, what he has to say about the other portions. So we have 2 more that I just want to go over that I received within the past couple of days. So this guy, I reached out to him. He told me that he was going to make his first withdrawal last month. We haven't talked in quite some time, but I always try to check up on students that I don't hear from for quite some time. I know things get busy around Q4 and things like that. So I reached out to him. Hey, mate, hope all is well in Australia. Based on last month's figures, how much did you profit? So today is October 11th, and I was questioning him about his September profits and things like that, because throughout the month he told me he was doing really well. Hello, all is well here. Net profit is 14,926. I was 3,700. Left the rest of my account, roughly 7,400. Paid my bills for the month, for this month and next. So now I'm trading pure profits. This is what it's all about, all right? And last screenshot taken today. This one was actually sent to me around 20 minutes ago. Actually, it's 2:42 here, and this was sent to me 2:28, so less than 20 minutes ago. But hi, Matt, great course. I've been a part of many SMC, Smart Money Trading, or Smart Money Concepts trading groups, and your course is by far the best of them. Today, I take my first trade on 9% on EU, which is here, all right, which we're going to go over. So he took the same entry as me based on, I actually had a session with this individual yesterday, and so we kind of, broke this entire thing down on what was to be expected and things like that, since he only trades EU. And yeah, so he caught the same trade as me. It did just what you said. It definitely did, man. Glad to be here. I can't thank you enough. I already withdrew funds to cover the mentorship program in one trade. Thanks, Mac. May God bless you for giving the masses this knowledge. So I just wanted to run over some testimonials from the trading course. If you guys are interested, just feel free to click the first link in the description. Go check out the trading course. All right, it's time to take your trading to the next level. I just uploaded another video, all right, to the course itself. Remember, this is an interactive course, so I'll update content as time goes on. We just uploaded my trading plan video. This is a 28-minute long video, and I go over my trading plan in depth. And if you guys want to catch the same trades as me, this trading plan right here is exactly how I do it over and over and over again, right? So it's a step-by-step process. Feel free to click the first link in the description. Go check out the trading course. Now, let's get right into the trade breakdown. So on EURUSD, overall, I'm looking for price to push up here for higher time frame sells. Let me go ahead and remove this from this morning. There we go. All right, so overall, I'm looking for price to push up here for higher time frame sells. If it doesn't happen, then it simply just doesn't happen. We simply just trade what we see. So we see all of our confluences on the M15 time frame takes place here, and we create a point of interest here for us to trade from. Now, those of you who don't know why this is a point of interest in my eyes, just feel free to go check out liquidity point of interest application. Now, this is what I call it. I call them liquidity points of interest. That's just the name that I call it. I'm not really sure what, the retail trading term is, but to me, they're liquidity points of interest. So this here is just that. All right. We break to the downside and we're taking out demand. So this is overall telling us that supply could possibly come in control and demand is being disrespected. I had an alert set up here around this point of interest. All right. Price made its way back to this area. And this morning, I simply just day traded EURUSD. I'm going to upload, I'm still actually in this trade on a small position, so I'm going to post this on my story. But yeah, as we can see, price taps into our valid zone here based on the M15 time frame. We see that we swept liquidity here with this nice push to the upside. And I want to go over why this here was my entry. Okay, so I was also waiting on a 1-minute entry to take place, right? But this entry here was based on 15 seconds time frame. Okay, now, why was that based on the 15 seconds time frame? All right, I'm not really going to go into depth with why that was based on the M15 or 15-second time frame, right? Because I saved that for my course students and mentorship students. Okay, but overall, we see that price had a failed reaction. We take out that failed reaction. Price trades right back into our supply, which was here. Which literally, guys, everything I'm going through is taught within the course. So entry was taken here when price came back up to this region. Okay, I was looking for price to possibly trade back to these areas for other entries that never took place. No harm, no foul. Risked around about 2 pips on this trade. I was trying to get 1.5, but it ended up being like 1.7 or 1.6 in this case. 1.6 right there. Right, so then I just rounded up to 2 pips. All right, nice even 2 pips. My target for this trade was simply, as you guys may know, it was based on the M5 time frame. So my target for this trade was simply this M5 demand that we have resting here at this level. The reason why I took profit here is because at least 80% of my position was taken out here. The rest of my position, I'll target this region here, all right, for around 12.6%. But the reason why I, targeted this area here is simply because all last week I didn't get a trade on EURUSD because our confluences did not take place. But I'm looking for price to possibly push to the upside. It could happen, and if it does, I want to take advantage of that. So I'm not looking for this to be the end-all, be-all, drop out of the sky type of trade, right? This is simply just a trade that we can take advantage of intraday. Add some percentages to the count. Make a little quick withdrawal if that's what we want to do from this trade here. That's all I was really looking for from this trade, a simple day trade, right? So I'm not looking to stay into this trade too long. Like I said, I do have my next target being here, around 1.555 repeating, all right, for around 12.65%. So we'll see what happens overall, all right? I don't want this video to be too long. I know we took a lot of time up with testimonials and things like that. I'm loving the feedback, guys. I love to hear you guys are doing good. I love to hear that you guys are hitting these targets and things like that. Keep up the good work. Continue contacting me if you guys have any questions. Quick 9% on EURUSD. I'll catch you guys on the next trade. Peace out.